your superintendent of schools here in Cutler Orosi, and I'm here with
Rafi Sagamonia, Facilities and Transportation Director for the district.
And we're here to share incredible news of our new aquatic complex. You're going to get a close and personal look of our progress. I want to thank you for continuing to support our community construction projects and let you know that our community pool with its beach entry is now taking form. We are super excited that we're going to have some kiddie water toys in here, and as you can see, we're going to have a great big open area, and you're going to get a close and personal look of our competition pool as well. Rafi, when do you think that we might be able to have a completion date on this project, on our aquatic complex?
Well, as you can see, we've done a lot of construction since the last time we were here. We think we could probably finish this project around October, November timeframe. There's still a lot to happen here. As you can see, the pool, the rebar is in. We'll be cementing in about 4 weeks, the pool. Once that's cemented, everything will go pretty quickly. We have a pool house being built. We have 9 shade covers. We have the parking lot. We have a lot of things going on here. So we think around no later than November, I would say.
That means that in the spring of 2025, our students will be learning how to swim in our brand new aquatic complex?
Absolutely.
That's awesome. Stay tuned. We're going to be bringing you more and more updates as we go into the spring to complete our aquatic complex here in Cutler Orosi. I want to thank our School Board of Education for their support and vision for this incredible project that has been long in coming for our community.